This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
From the air, the scope of the Hyundai Meta plant outside of Savannah, Georgia is pretty impressive. The 3,000-acre site under construction in what used to be a pine-covered forest is a major investment for the company and its 3 automotive brands sold in the North American market. The plan is to build Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis vehicles at this facility starting in late 2024 and then ramp up to becoming a manufacturing behemoth.
At full production, we will be producing up to 300,000 vehicles. That's our max. We'll have about 8,500 employees on site when, not all at the same time, but obviously, so when we're at a full 3-shift production and everybody's supporting us, that'll be about 8,500 jobs that we're creating here.
The assembly plant will also have a number of supporting subsidiaries on site, including a unit to build electric vehicle batteries, as well as another unit to prepare the steel needed to build cars. That aggressive approach is expected to have a long-term impact on the local economy, something the company learned from experience building vehicles in the United States.
One of the beautiful things that we have here is we have a sister company over in Alabama that have about 20 years under their belt. So we know what's going to happen. They talk about how they created a new middle class there.
No doubt this will be one of the biggest investments in Georgia in years, and it will create a lot of jobs here in the South Georgia Savannah area. But what does it mean besides employment? Well, in this area, that means a whole lot.
The plant is actually located in suburban Bryan County, a sparsely settled community with a unique ecosystem and specific needs for balance.
Large trees with deep-rooted systems like the live oak, maples, cypress. Where would all the water go? From the coastal tides, from hurricanes, just large storms. All of that water would just sit in the swamp, and then you talk about the devastation that's going to cause the growth, the residential and the industrial growth in that area and the impact it's going to have.
To be a good neighbor, Hyundai is supporting a conservation project to replant indigenous species of trees to protect the area's ability to prevent massive erosion in the future.
And a couple of years ago, we introduced a corporate social responsibility initiative called Hyundai Hope, where we provide support in the area of sustainability, where we partner with organizations that improve the well-being of society, as well as improve the planet.
While putting trees in the ground is a start, the community outreach involves working with a number of local entities in and around the port city. That ranges from developing a relationship with Georgia Southern University to support STEM education, supporting the local children's hospital with a child safety seat project,
we believe in building
underwriting an arts training project with the local Boys and Girls Club's after-school program, and providing financial support to local youth athletic activities ranging from golf to soccer leagues. Donations to these activities aren't the only way to embrace the Savannah community. A little sweat equity is also appreciated, especially at the regional food bank. That involved taking directions on how to work a different kind of assembly line.
Then I will show you how to put the boxes on the pallet. On the pallet, you're going to put 3. I had to write this down because it's changed since this morning. All right, so I won't forget. So you're going to put 3 out of 12 boxes going to go on this pallet.
While all of these projects don't help building or selling cars for Hyundai, it's a different kind of investment in the region as it grows going forward. I'm Greg Morrison.